Here's a beauty to take a look at, and a sleeper besides. 1964 Ford Falcon Futura. Two-door hardtop, 63B on the door tag as far as body style. Now this car has had a repaint, full restoration, similar to a Ragoon Red, I would say. And like I said, complete restoration on this car. I'm going to try to hit everything. There's a lot to go over on this one. Very nicely done also. First off, underneath the hood, 302 V8 powered. Tremec 5-speed paired up with that, as well as a hydraulic clutch. We're going to pop the hood here in a little bit, and I'll go through some more things that are underneath the hood, but aluminum radiator, aluminum heads. I mean, it's set up nice underneath there, power steering. And we'll check that out here in a little bit. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, kind of cheat a little, go ahead and look at the still pictures. Look at the underside. Underside is as nice as the top of this car. The trunk is finished off beautifully. The interior engine bay. Take your time. Look through the still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to call to 507-386-1726. Now, take a look at the chrome bumper, front grille and bright work. Basically, all the bright work and chrome on this vehicle has either been polished and brought back to like new condition and or re-chromed or is new. So bright work, everything around this car, chrome, is going to be in very nice shape. Paint, same way. Repaint on this car is nice. Does not show much age at all, if any. Take a look up and down the side of this car. You can see how straight it is. Little things, how these bright work pieces fit together. Little things like that is what you really notice on this car. How it lines up at the doors and so on, right down the side of it. Very well built, very well done. As you can see, black interior, bucket seat, center console. This one does have the shifter down on the floor. And again, Tremec 5-speed on that. We'll get around to the other side. I'm going to show you some other nice things in this car. Again, that make it user-friendly, fun to drive. Front end. It does have a Heights front end. There are coil-over adjustable shocks, all four corners. Up front, we do have disc brakes, slotted and drilled rotors. As you can see, riding on the keystones. Great look on this car. Harkens back to the day. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just look down the side of that car. That baby is straight. Dual exhaust. You'll be able to see underneath there, aluminum drive shaft. Take a look at that while you're underneath there. Little things again. Look at how that trunk lines up, how even that gap is. Slip around to this side, look down that same way. You know a car's nicely done, and when it's not, you can see some are just a little step above others. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and go down this driver's side like we did on the passenger side. Again, you don't really see any chips, dings, nicks, scratches. Again, look at the bright work, how everything lines up. Watch this door close. I noticed this earlier too. Just snug, tight. And that is hardly pushing it to close at all. And you know how some of these older cars, especially the two doors and the hard tops, can get. All right, what else do you want to talk about in this one? You're going to see Kooks headers underneath the hood, and we'll get into some more of that stuff that's underneath there coming up here just shortly. Let's do the interior. All right. According to the restorer previous owner, this was leather. Again, bucket seats. Seat belts have been added up front. Door panels. All in nice shape. Couple aftermarket gauges down here. Got temp and what was it? Oil pressure. Also, you're going to notice tilt column, which is nice in this car. Don't always see tilt columns in these vehicles. Dash has been redone. We also have aftermarket tack added up on the dash. Air correct looking, nice looking tack. Do have the aftermarket, kind of the retro sound style stereo system that does work. I also noticed there was a changer underneath the passenger front seat. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. It's probably one of the best parts about this car, and there's a lot of good things about this car. Listen to that 302. And then best of all, it's paired up with that Tremec 5-speed hydraulic clutch. Wow. It's be a nice one to drive too. It's not going to drive like an old 64 Falcon. You got that Heights front end. By the way, horn and wipers also work. Ooh. So like I said, a sleeper to boot. That 302 underneath the hood. This thing's going to get up and go. Listen to that. Alright. Tough to beat the sound of a 302 with a nice exhaust system on it. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood because there's some more goodies up underneath here. I want to make sure you get a chance to see those. We'll talk about those just a little bit.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, first off, I want to correct myself. I was thinking I saw Kook's headers on those, and it is Doug's headers. FYI. And then the Be Cool aluminum radiator, electric fan behind it. See the mounting brackets. Looks like billet aluminum for the belt and I should say the belt and pulley system. MSD. Like we have an electronic ignition system on here. MSD wires. Slip on down there you can see Doug's headers. That Heights front end, of course, tubular control arms. And those adjustable coilovers. You're going to see Edelbrock aluminum performer heads. Also an Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. So just what a nice looking engine bay. This car, take any of your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows. This is going to be a head turner, the way it looks and the way it sounds. Don't expect this one to stick around long. 1964 Ford Falcon Futura 2-door hardtop. Got that 302 in there with a 5-speed. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.